everyone, Laura with We Met Wirework and More, and today I am going to show you how to make this really quick, super inexpensive little googly-eyed hairband. Now not everybody wants to go full out costume making or costume shopping, so this is just a little touch of the spooky to get you through your Halloween night. And before we get going, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. The materials we're going to need for our googly eye headband is a headband. This is approximately a 4-inch by 1.5-inch piece of craft foam. An assortment of googly eyes. Some of them are self-adhesive, others are not. It's entirely up to you what you use. We have a pair of tweezers that are hopefully going to help us with attaching these little ones. And then a glue gun. So to get started, we're going to take our rectangle of fun foam and we're going to just fold it lightly in half. And then we're going to take some scissors and we're going to just trim this and sort of turn it into a leaf pattern. So if you see, that doesn't have to be perfect by any means. And then we are going to just start to attach our googly eyes. So I'm going to start with a few larger ones here. So there's that one. And this one. The closer you can get them snugged up to one another, the less gaps you have to fill, which is ideal. So we tried to fill in as many of the gaps as possible. Make it nice solid. I think we'll pop another little guy in there. And then maybe another guy in here, kind of overlapping the edge. Get that in there too. All right, super cute. Our little googly eyes. And then we quite simply just take our headband and just run a bead of glue along there. Sorry, I got hot glue sticking to me all over the place. And there we go. There is our really cute little googly eye hairband. So for now, this is Laura with We Met Wirework and More. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and certainly share this video. As I said, super fun, super quick, and it takes care of that Halloween costume like that. In the meantime, have a fantastic day and happy Halloween. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much.